The three major military ones are the Snowbirds, the F-18, which you're going to love, and we also have a very unique situation this year. It's the 75th anniversary of the British Commonwealth Air Training Plan, which was a huge undertaking that Canada took on in World War II to train all of the Commonwealth air crew. And Canada trained over 160,000 pilots, navigators, and bombardiers and engineers in Canada for all the Commonwealth countries. It was such a massive undertaking, and so many airports were built and so many pilots were trained that President Roosevelt called Canada the aerodrome of democracy.
On voit aujourd'hui qu'il s'agit d'une technologie beaucoup plus avancée avec son moteur turbo.
There are a number of civilian aerobatic performers, the Yak Attack, Martin Yvon, skydivers. The aircraft from our collection, the Corsair, is going to do an aerobatic flight. The F-18 and the Canadian military aircraft, so it's going to be a very entertaining day.